Come on, Izzy. Izzy. How you doing, bub? Attaboy. So up here is the garbage can that I emailed my counselor Esther Pauls to get replaced, and the city of Hamilton. It was always right here by the side. As a matter of fact, there's a dog poop bag right there. I don't always have access to my wheelchair. I have to come right across the street. All the dumpsters are in the back of the buildings, and I cannot go down that steep incline, especially with the inclement weather. My legs can't do it. And I cannot walk down there to the bus stop. And I cannot walk down there a block to the next garbage. And we've been directed not to bring our waste through the building. I can't blame them. So I've had to resort to, this is ridiculous. I've lived in Hamilton. I was born here in 1967. I've paid taxes since 1980. I can't get a simple garbage can by the bylaw sign that was always here for my service dog's waste.